In this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft's learning tools. So in Microsoft Word, if you go to View, Learning Tools, there are some different tools in here that you can use to help students, or students can help themselves to read. Okay, so the first one is column width. So if you go into there, you can make it narrow, which might help students, moderate or wide. Okay, let's say I put it onto narrow. You can then go into page colour and you can choose sepia, or you can have it on inverse. That might help students, or none. Line focus is a good one, where it will only focus on one specific line in the text, and you can click through these arrows to go through each line. And the line focus can be 1 line, 3 lines or 5 lines. Then there is text spacing, so you can have it so that the text is spaced out quite a lot or not, whether that might help. Then you can turn on syllables or turn syllables off to help readers. And then finally, read aloud.
We will set as the Chief Executive Roger Burnley.
So these might help students, you might already know them, but they're there if you don't. Okay.